Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can send you messages on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy, and now as you see here, you will find messaging. Click on it. Here click messaging, and here you can manage your messaging settings as you want. And that's how to manage messaging settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.